Hey guys, how is things going? These mind calming meditation videos that are able to reduce stress are super popular on YouTube. Just look at these videos, millions of views. 1,000 views on YouTube, you will be earning around like $3 to $5. So 1 million views will be about $3,000 to $5,000 with just one single video. So what if you have like 10 videos? It will be like 30 to 50,000 a month. And let me tell you this, these videos are super easy to create. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can create this type of videos within 10 minutes of works. Trust me, it is very easy. So in this video, I'm going to use a program which is called Creatox, where you get to access to tons of free videos that you can use for your videos. And this is not the main thing. With only $1 for 5-day trial, you get to learn also how to create and monetize video on YouTube without creating any videos or recording. So if you are a newbie on this YouTube business, pay $1 and learn everything in these 5 days. And if you want to stay after that, just go ahead. If not, just cancel it. I have left the registration link below. So when you click on the link given below the comment box, you will get to see this page over here. Earn from YouTube without creating your own videos. On my previous video, I have talked about like some of the key elements on what type of videos, audio, and photos that you need to choose so that your video will not get banned by YouTube. So please go through that video first before you watch this. So sign up, choose videos, upload and learn. 60 days money back guarantee. Join up for $1 for a 5 days trial and $47 per month. So just click on join now and insert all your payment details and you are pretty much done. Click your email and click on access. Create your own account. So as you can see over here, on your left side over here, you will get to learn pretty much all the basic fundamental must know about YouTubing, how to make money from YouTube, rank your YouTube videos, and how to do your video marketing as well. I do not think all these courses cost like $47 per month, especially if you are an advanced YouTuber. But it is a good source for a newbie. So learn all this basic stuff and cancel your account. Next, we want to choose from millions of videos. So we have pixel base, pixel or cover. These two are free to use anyway, so you do not need to pay anything for this. Let's choose pixel base. So just scroll through and choose whatever that suits the video that you want to create. So calm meditation will be linked to something like water flow river. I will just choose this river water flow videos. And just make sure that the video that you choose is free for commercial use and no attribution needed. Click on free download. So we have our videos done. Next, we are going to choose an audio. Just type in YouTube free audio. Select attributions not required. Durations, you can choose more than 5 minutes, depends on how long you want your video to be. And mood will be calm. And choose ambience. So you have a list of audio that you can try on. Let's try this. Not too good. Let's try this inner sound. Good, this sounds very good, and yeah, let's click on download. Okay, next we are going to use this free video editing software OpenShot. If you do not have this software, you can just download it. Just type in OpenShot on Google and choose whichever that best suits your laptop. Okay, open it up when you're done installing. So now all you need to do is very easy. Just drag and drop both of your videos and audios to this video editing software. Okay, this audio is 15 minutes long. You can copy and paste the same video until it reaches like 50 minutes if you want. But in this video, I will just cut it short to about like 2 minutes will do. Just have a listen to it when you're done your editing. Yep, not too bad, right? So next, we need to export this video out. So when you're done, just listen to it first, just to make sure everything is correct. Not too bad, right? Now, all you need to do is just upload this video to your channel and you are done. Just to give you guys a heads up, creating 1 to 2 videos will not help you to gain much subscriber or view if there are any. Unless you already have an existing social media that have tons of subscribers, such as on your Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, or your website which you have like a couple of millions or 100,000s of subscriber or traffic, where you can drive those traffic from this social media or website to your YouTube channel. If not, I will suggest you to start building your YouTube channel with at least minimum 1 video a day for the next 90 days, where you get to produce at least a good 90 videos in these 3 months. Well, you only need like a good 10 to 15 minutes a day to complete this work, so it is very easy. So what you need to do next after watching this video is to take massive actions. I will see you on the next videos. Bye bye.